Well, greetings and good morning. It's sunrise on Friday morning, and I'm out here with the beautiful Caroline, and we're just I'm gonna keep quiet. We're gonna give you sounds of the farm. We're gonna see Caroline what she does in the morning with Oreo playing ball. Oh, there you go.
Mama. You ready? You ready? Which way's gonna go? Which way's gonna go, Oreo? Come on, go. Woo. Woo. Ready? Up. Hey, Violet. You got some drinkies. There you go, look. Look. Oh, this is nice, isn't it? It's nice. Breakfast time for everybody. There you go. She could eat the whole packet. It's so wrong. Hello, Widget. Hello, Widget. Waiting first. Have you finished? You sure? You sure you're finished? You sure you're finished? Your ice cube in there. Oh, hello. Oh, you want some, don't you? You Velcro? Velcro and Violet. You like each other, don't you? I think we got a little couple here. Here. It's in my hand. It's in my hand. Look. Well done. Well done. Oh, there it is. I put this in my pocket for later. Oh, hello, puppy. Hello, exercise for me, feeding for them. That's how it works. And the sun is rising slowly. It's lovely this morning. A bit of a frost. I know. Oh, you're so cute. Do you want some more? This is a breakfast that will last all day long if I can open the packet. Oreo, we'll go indoors and have some food. No, you want to play? You still want to play? Let's go and play. Boom!
So there we have sounds of the farm, and an early morning with Caroline and my animals, and it's a good way to warm up, and it's a beautiful.
Cardio is done.
Yeah. Oh, and all the sheep are going to go in. So I hope you enjoy Sounds of the Farm. If you watched it this far, let me know what your favourite animal is, and we'll feature it next time with Caroline.
Absolutely.
So have a lovely day.
Yeah, have a lovely day.
We
It's
love
a good
you.
start of the day. Love you more.